This is a Nissan GT-R R35, once engineered to be brutally precise, now left behind. Dust clings to every edge. The paint is tired. The wheels are stained. The air smells like damp concrete and old fuel. Today we bring it back, slowly, properly, one detail at a time. The body lines are still there, underneath the grime. A thin film of dirt dulls the reflections. Water spots mark the hood like dried rain. Around the lower panels, road debris has hardened into a rough crust. The badges are faded. The headlights are cloudy like frosted glass. Inside, the cabin is stale and dusty. The leather feels dry. The trim is scratched. Fine grit has settled into every seam. We start with the surface, because everything depends on a clean foundation. A gentle rinse, not forceful, just enough to loosen the dirt. Foam spreads across the panels, thick and slow. It creeps into the grille, into the vents, around the mirrors. We wait. Let the chemistry work. Let the grime lift. Microfiber glides across the paint, one panel at a time. Light pressure, straight lines. The wash mitt turns darker with each pass. Rinse, reload, repeat. The paint begins to show through again. Not perfect, but alive. The wheels are baked with brake dust. You can feel the texture before you even touch it. Cleaner foams in the spokes. A soft brush works the corners. A smaller brush reaches behind the lug area. The metal changes tone, from dull charcoal to clean satin. Rinse until the water runs clear. Now we remove what washing can't. Embedded particles, old tar, industrial fallout. A clay bar moves slowly across the surface. At first it drags, then it starts to glide. The paint feels smoother with every section, like glass returning. A drying towel pulls water away without effort. Edges, creases, the roofline, the rear haunches. Air blows out trapped water from the badges and gaps. Tiny droplets scatter and disappear. Now we can see the truth. Swirls, light scratches, oxidation. This is where the real work begins. We remove what blocks access, trim pieces, badges, small panels. Each fastener comes out cleanly, sorted, labeled, nothing rushed. The engine bay is next, dust layered over metal and plastic, a film of old residue near the corners. Degreaser breaks it down. Brushes work the tight areas. A rinse, controlled and gentle. The bay starts to look engineered again. The lenses are cloudy, so we sand carefully one step by step. From rough to fine, the haze becomes uniform, then we polish and suddenly the lens clears. The GT-R's eyes come back. Now the GT-R sits under the light and holds it. The body lines are sharp, the paint has depth, the wheels are clean and bright. It doesn't look lucky, it looks cared for. A machine built for performance, returned to the standard it was designed to meet. We correct the paint like it deserves. Not aggressive, accurate. A polishing pad spreads compound in a thin, even layer. Slow passes, overlapping, consistent pressure. Under the light, the haze fades. The surface sharpens. Reflections become deeper, cleaner, more defined. We wipe and inspect, then repeat, panel by panel. Swirls that look permanent disappear. That's the restoration. Quiet work, correct steps, real results, and the Nissan GT-R R35 is back.